So my next tip for a one-car small garage organization idea and for storage, that is using the walls and use that vertical space for storage. So we got these wall shelf storage racks from FLEXIMOUNT. They did gift these to us, and it's pretty much additional storage space for everyday items. They were easy to install, one-person job. My husband did it really easily, and it came with all the great hardware included for wood studs and concrete walls. In order to keep them secure, they come with velcros to prevent from falling, and they have a large high loading capacity and also have many different configurations, which is awesome and really just such a space saving organizing idea. And they are sold on the FLEXIMOUNT website and also on Amazon if that's easier for you.
Let me go.
What does this do? These are anchor holes?
Just pilot holes. So that when you go to screw in the bolt, then flip the wood.